The BMW 5 Series is one of the ultimate luxury sedans. It's bigger and more spacious than the compact 3 Series, not quite as gargantuan as a gigantic 7 Series. It's kind of like the Goldilocks, just right. And this 2018 example is really nice shape. It's October of 2025, and this 18 BMW only has a tad over 30,000 miles on it, really low miles. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year, so this has way below average miles. Beautiful condition. All-wheel drive, nice color combination. America, we're in love with crossover SUVs. We're buying these more than ever. Ford really doesn't make cars anymore except the Mustang. They focus on trucks and crossover SUVs like the Escape, the Bronco Sport, and things like that. But there's something to be said about the elegance of a sedan. You know, sedans have been around for a long time and they've kind of fallen out of grace because people want crossover SUVs, but they have low, sleek lines, nice handling. You do have to they're not quite as spacious and high up off the ground as the crossover SUVs, but that's a double-edged sword. You know, you don't have the high up commanding view of the road, but being low to the ground, it has much better handling and a lower center of gravity than a top-heavy SUV. And it definitely looks better. Coupes and sedans just have a nice sleek design to them. It's not kind of like a boxy egg jelly bean shape on wheels. It's beautiful, sleek, and sexy. Love the trademark halos around the headlights. The twin kidney grille, no mistaking it for anything else besides a BMW. This has a workhorse twin power turbo engine, makes about 230 horsepower. We can find this engine in a wide variety of BMW products. With 230 horsepower, it's very fuel efficient and it moves this BMW 5 Series along really nicely. You can get bigger, larger engines. This is more of the entry-level engine, but I think for most people, it'll be plenty of power. Nice styling on the rear, dual exhaust finishers for aggressive look. When you see the xDrive badge, that means this has all-wheel drive. Great for when the roads get slick and slippery like they are right now. We have a power rear trunk, and being a midsize sedan, you have a very large trunk with a cargo pass-through as well. Another nice dividend of BMW 5 Series midsize size is interior space. I'm 6'2". I got a lot of space back here, plenty of legroom, plenty of headroom. That's the nice thing about moving up from a compact to a midsize sedan like this, is you have great space in the interior and cargo space all around for everybody. And of course, one of the most comfortable places to sit is in the front with these beautiful leather seats, plenty of adjustability, beautiful wood trim throughout the interior. We have multi-zone climate control, heated seats, nice big infotainment system. It might look like the screen's flickering, but that's just a GoPro camera, something to do with the frame rate, makes it look like it's flickering, but believe me, it's completely fine. Believe me, it's completely fine. You have a nice big navigation screen, parking camera, front row parking sensors. We have a nice gate cluster. It's kind of a mixture of digital and analog. We have a steering wheel paddle shifter so you can take control of the 4 gears. Nice leather and stitching on the horn pad. The steering wheel is heated. We have a moonroof that opens, and if it gets too bright out, you have a power sunshade to dim things down. Well, thanks for joining me on this walk around of this beautiful 2018 BMW 5 Series all-wheel drive. Very low miles. I don't think this one will hang around long. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years, proudly serving the greater Seattle-Tacoma area, located in Auburn, Washington. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety, as you can see, of premium vehicles. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.